guys, good morning. Actually, wait, it's not morning anymore. It's currently almost 12:54 p.m. So good afternoon. Anyways, getting a late start to the day. I just got dressed. I was going to vlog before I got dressed, but my camera battery needed to charge, so I got dressed. As you can probably tell, I'm not in something I would normally wear, and that's because I'm going to be cleaning the bathroom today. Yay! I don't think I've really cleaned it properly all year, so that's really disgusting. But I got super lazy, and I didn't want to fully clean it. It bothers me too. I like things to be organized and orderly and perfect, but sometimes I also just get lazy or I forget. Anyways, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And then, after that, I'm going to tackle this mess. Unfortunately, I will not be able to film probably at least most of cleaning the bathroom. I might get a few shots in there, but my battery is dying again because I only charged it for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to plug it in again, start in the bathroom, and then we'll go from there. I am now back. Obviously, it's been a while. I changed into my normal clothes. Yeah, I cleaned the bathroom. I should show you what it looks like now. It looks so beautiful. I'll do that later, actually. But yeah, we had lunch just like probably an hour ago. Somehow it's already 5. I don't know how that happened. We had a very late breakfast and a very late lunch, so things were just kind of off to a late start here. That's okay. But yeah, I think I'm going to now tackle this dreaded pile that has been bothering me for the past week and a half. So let's go do that now that my battery's charged. Whoa! Yeah. Also, while I was cleaning the bathroom, I was listening to one of my favorite podcasts. I don't know if you guys words. I said that so commandingly. I'm just going to stop trying to talk. I have been listening. Oh gosh, this hurts my arm. Can I put you down somewhere? So, I have been listening to one of my favorite podcasts ever. Unsolicited Advice. You probably cannot see that at all. I really recommend that podcast. It is so good, and I've learned so much from it. It's by Ashley Nicole and Tara Renee, and Ashley is one of my favorite YouTubers. Just thought I'd share that with you guys. Anyways, so I'm going to clean. Montage begin. And ta-da! It's still obviously a little bit crowded. I don't have that much space in my closet, but it is so much improved, and you can't even see it because it's freaking dark and my camera is stupidly old. Okay, here's the recycling, and then these bags are stuff to give away. This is also to give away, This is keep, trash, and shred. Because I can't zoom in.
She's giving me away too.
No, I'm gonna keep him.
That's what Lucky is.
Oh, yay! I'm so happy to have this space all cleared. This I'm obviously going to take care of very soon. It's so nice to have them both closed and cleared. Also, I have this like pile of tissues. Okay, let me just explain this. So, for February, I wanted to decorate my room pink, because you know, February, pink, obviously. So I had this tissue box that was mostly empty, but it goes perfectly with the pink things I have in my room, because it's pink. So I did kind of like a little DIY project, and I opened up one of the sides, put more tissues in it, and then glued the side. So I have some more tissues to fill it up a little bit because it is running low. And I realize it is March and not February anymore, but I don't care. I like pink, so we're keeping it pink. How do you feel about that?
March is supposed to be green.
Well, whatever. I probably don't have the best lighting here, but that's okay. I'm gonna roll with it. Recently, apples and lemon juice, apple slices to be specific, and lemon juice has been one of my favorite snacks. So, for the excess lemon juice that is left over, that's obviously too sour for me to drink whole. So what I like to do is first get a spoon. Sorry, it's so dark. And then I just like get a little bit of sugar. Not a whole lot, maybe a little less than like a tablespoon. Depends on how much lemon juice I pour. Just put that into the lemon juice, stir it up. It tastes like sour lemon candy, which I love, especially lately. Okay guys, so I kind of forgot to show you, but I'm going to go and show you what the bathroom looks like. You guys, it looks so much better. I don't have a before to compare it to, just because it was so nasty and I was just embarrassed to show anyone. So, yeah, let's go. Alright, so this is the final reveal of my room. I know you've already seen it, but I just can't believe it's all cleared and clean, and I love it. Yay! Alright, so this is a little random, but earlier I was talking about how I'm just so obsessed with sour stuff lately. Well, I got some sour gummy worms. Actually, my dad got them for me, but I paid it back, so it's fine. I am so excited to eat those. You guys, I've just been like craving them for the past 2 months. And I've waited 2 months to eat them. I can't even believe I've waited that long, because I just wanted them so bad. But now that I have them, they're probably gonna go so fast. But hopefully I can make them last, stretch them out a bit. Hopefully we'll make it work. If not, I might have to buy more. So that is all for today's vlog. Whoa. I just like hit my back and my voice like echoed throughout my body. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring the bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Peace out, yo. I'm gonna go get ready for bed because it is super late. Yeah, it's like 5 minutes to midnight. So yeah. Bye!